It's all seafoam right there. Check it out. We just came across the road right here. There's totally something coming from the ocean. It's definitely crap.
In water.
Thank you, Steve. We're not really parked in water.
It doesn't matter. It's a video.
Alright, so we're gonna go investigate that. Alright.
Let's go to Center Free.
Your driveway. Welcome to Tacoma. Home of the. You're gonna have a river for a driveway. I want to know what that is. This house has a pretty substantial amount of water flowing under it. So, yeah. I don't think you can see it. Waves are coming in. They just come through here, flow in. This is what's flooding the road over there. God, if the whole thing just like explodes, I'll be so happy. I don't know how they still have power here. Alright, so this is... Check it out. These winds are... might even be getting toward a hurricane force. I'm not even sure. Watch. As soon as I step out from behind this building, check out how strong these winds are. Ready? Oh, there goes a wave. Right. So destroyed. Alright. Just gonna push a lot of water up on the coast. Check it out. Look at this wave. Look at that wave. Oh, nice. It's just... gonna get rid of that sand dune really quickly.
Yeah, have you got your new license yet?
Oregon Inlet.
Oregon Inlet.
Might do it for...
Choppy.
Tight second.
It's all seafoam. Dude, this is so sweet. utility foam right there. Look at this. Sit up there, you'd be getting so destroyed. Look at that. Still got water flowing under that house. Getting like sandblasted right now. Holy shit. That's their driveway. And that is the street.
Well, it's about to be low tide.